Hi again. So I've mentioned in my first video about integrations using Zoho app. That includes with a shipping partner and accounting integration. So for the shipping, when we integrate the shipping partner, that depends if here it is available or not. But if not, we can do it manually. We can easily track the fulfillment of our transactions, delivery transactions. It will be automatically reflected as delivered or once everything will be processed for shipment, it will automatically be ship packages change. It will automatically change the status here. For pickup orders, we just can automatically, not automatically, but manually have it marked delivered. Again, if we cannot make do with our shipping partner, but there are a lot of it here. There are a lot of it here. You can just add new your shipment for this customer's order and then choose example. Oops. I didn't create any of this. Anyways, let's see if there's available. Oh, there it is. Shipping order number. This is just for example. All we need to do is just to input here the tracking number, which is a tracking ID, and our tracking URL. Then save it. Oh, by the way, if it's already delivered, you can mark it like here. And if it's not yet delivered, we just send all this information here to the customers and hit save. Again, it's best if we automate it. But if we cannot make do with that, we can simply do it manually here. The same with the accounting, like what I mentioned. It is easy to integrate Zoho Books using Zoho Inventory or any Zoho apps. But we don't need to worry about integrating QuickBooks Online in Zoho Inventory. If we encounter any problem with these integrations with Zoho to QuickBooks Online, Zoho and Zero, we need to contact support, Zoho support. If we cannot fix it by our own, we can make use of third-party automation softwares, but it's another cost. I think we can fix this. There are a lot of ways. The last will be using third-party automation software. We can integrate Zoho and QuickBooks together. So for Zoho CRM, we need to go to settings. Can I show it again? And the marketplace. We need to add QuickBooks Online here if we want to integrate QuickBooks to our CRM. So everything from our customers, details, sales order, and invoices will automatically sync on QuickBooks. I did try it here. I did link my sample QB to the CRM. So in my first video, I did add James Bond as convert into account and created deals for James Bond under the company Leather Me. And here, as you can see in QuickBooks, automatically sync. And I did try to create new transactions, but I'm going to show you that. So this is the QuickBooks Online that I integrate using extension. So when I create a sales order, using this CRM, you can choose any carrier here. So these are the available ones, but we can add. I think there are ways. We're gonna add it to another shipping partner. Contact name. Again, we can add our tax if we have. We are a VAT company, or if we pay VAT. If not, we don't need to worry about it. So again, this is just for example. We have a grand total of 300. Once we converted this to invoice, like what I mentioned before when it comes to integration, if we cannot fix it by our own, we need outside help. We don't know everything, and we don't need to assume that we know everything. Come on. So now we already synced this invoice, the new invoice that we created, and it's still open once we paid it. Once Leather Me company paid it, we make do with the receiving payments. We need our bank account. We can check our bank account portals to see if this payment is already reflected here before we receive payments on QuickBooks. That's best. So again, for CRM, we can make do with it with extension. We can install in extensions, and then we need to add modules. We need to set everything here. correctly. So we don't have any problem when it comes to syncing it. I think that will be all. Again, we don't need to worry when it comes to integrations. And the best advice that I can give to you, if you're just going to be using Zoho Inventory, you use the same applications when it comes to the accounting. If we are not knowledgeable or techy enough when it comes to integrations, not all the time that your accountant knows it, not all the time that it will not gonna have any problems that can be fixed by the accountant. So those are my advice. Here I just do it by myself. So for all the Zoho application subscription pricing, I can email that to you directly, or you can see it in my website under section setup. Thank you.